This is the Free-1 mini tripod from Fotopro. It can be used as a table tripod or as a standard tripod. Kinda. You can also take the center column out and use it as a selfie stick. Alright, let's be honest, tripods are boring, but this thing actually surprised me with how versatile it is. I already have a bunch of regular sized tripods and tabletop tripods that I didn't see a use for this, but I'm really glad that Fotopro sent this out to me to check out, so let's take a closer look at it. So this mini tripod has 5-section legs that can adjust from as low as 10 inches and extend up to 60 inches. It's made of aluminum alloy and weighs 1.7 pounds. It folds down and comes with this carry bag to make it an ideal compact travel tripod. Here's my run and gun setup. It's the Sony a7S III with a 16-35 GM lens. I have a small rig cage on there with a top handle and a V-mount battery on the back. This setup weighs about 6.5 pounds. This tripod actually has a weight capacity of 8.8 pounds, so it can handle this setup and then some. Would I normally film with the setup on this tripod? Definitely not, but I could if I wanted to. It comes with this 360-degree panoramic head that moves pretty smooth to capture those panning shots. The ball head is adjusted by this flip lock that also allows you to shoot vertically if you want. It takes Arco Swiss plates, but it also comes with one with a safety mechanism that keeps your camera from sliding out, just in case you don't have it fully tightened down. It comes with a carabiner so that you can attach a weight like a backpack to the bottom of the center column to act as a counterweight. And like I was saying in the beginning, this has a bunch of uses. It's mainly meant to be a tabletop tripod, but you can also extend it to use it as a mini tripod. But then you can extend the center column and you can get really high with it. Well, really high if you're 5'6". You can take the center column out and use it as a selfie stick. You can also invert the column to get those really low angle shots. It's 33 inches when it's fully extended and has a max weight capacity of 6.6 pounds. I do not want to do that test again. One of the legs has a silicone grip so it's easy to carry. There's a 1/4 inch mount on the side so you can attach lights or microphones to it. It also comes with a phone mount in case you want to use your phone. So this tripod is going to be perfect for someone that's always on the move and just wants to keep a simple tripod in their bag for when they need it. I've done a lot of traveling with this tabletop tripod and this travel tripod, and I almost never take this one out of my hotel. It's just something that I don't want to carry when I'm exploring cities for, in case I need it. The small one usually works good enough. The mini tripod from Fotopro basically combines these two tripods into an easy to carry tripod / selfie stick. I do wish it folded up smaller though and didn't take up as much space, or at least be small enough to stick into a bottle holder like my Peak Design tripod. I also wish it came in carbon fiber or was just a little bit more lightweight. Since I know I'd mostly use it as a tabletop tripod, it's significantly heavier than something like my PGY Tech Mantis pod. And since I'm already being negative, this might be more of a me problem, but I'm not a fan of the twist lock legs. It's not a full twist lock like you see on other tripods. It's more of a quick friction twist lock. I think you can see what I'm talking about here. I've actually had this set up outside where one of the legs wasn't really locked in place and it collapsed when I went to set it down. I just wish I had a better locking mechanism. So this retails for $78, which is a pretty good price for this mini tripod. I'll have everything linked down below in case you want to check it out. Alright, I need to go slow my heart rate down after that selfie stick test.